How to check your mouse DPI. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily check your mouse DPI. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you guys know that you can change your mouse sensitivity on your settings, so go ahead and click on Bluetooth and devices. If you go to mouse and additional mouse settings, and from here if you go to pointers, so here on the buttons you can change your mouse speed, but what this will do is it will just make it so that your mouse feels choppy and not as laggy as it used to be. So this is not really a DPI settings that you can choose, but what you can do is in order to check your mouse's DPI, open a web browser, and on the search bar you're just going to search for DPI Analyzer. And once you search for it, you will get this DPI analyzer that says same aim. To just open this link. And once you get to this website, it's completely free. All you have to do is scroll down a bit. And once you scroll down, you will see this little contraption right here. So here you can first choose your units on inches or centimeters. I'm just going to choose centimeters. And get a ruler or anything that can measure 10 centimeters. Keep it on your mouse pad and make sure that you drag your mouse up to 10 centimeters. So I'm just going to set the target distance to 10 centimeters. Now all I'm going to do is just click it right here and move my mouse 10 centimeters like this. So as you can see here, my actual DPI is around 300, so if I round it off, it's actually 300. Now if I do the same again, it will give me the same value. So this is my actual DPI of the mouse. So you can check your DPI of your mouse from this, and if you have a special mouse, it will come with an app where you can change its DPI. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.